Welcome everybody, this is King Jerry and I'm about to show you a tutorial and this is definitely going to be a good one. I have here, jump right into it, the velour Durag black midnight. Love it. You're going to love it too. You can get this at qkjj.org and I'm going to show you a little tutorial if you don't know how to put a durag on. And if this is your first time, don't worry about it. Piece of cake. Alright, so you're going to want to put that do-rag on. Make sure you're secure. As you can see with this beautiful pattern straight down the middle, and that's what you want to get. Nice little even crest right down here in the middle, bridge of your nose. Beautiful arms on the side here with do-rag. I said you can use this secure, 33 inches, and it breathes. You want to start with both arms. Some go front, some go behind. I'm going to start by going behind here. You want to make sure that it's nice and clean. You can unravel from the inner velour to the outer. Having a little difficulty with the left one here, but we want to make sure it's looking all good at the end here. Pull it to the front to your liking. You want to cross them, cross the arms, and smile while you're doing it. And then, depending on how you like to tie, I normally just go for a straight tie and a loop. And then you can do the old-fashioned bunny ears behind. Tie that down. This is the most important part. You're not done. Right here, you got your back end. I like to call it, the cape finish. Bow. Just pull that down. Not too rough. Take your time with both hands. Make sure it's looking right. Now you got yourself a qkjj durag. Have some fun. Order yourself one at qkjj.org. What can I say? If you really want to make it special, get one for your lady too so you can match. Peace.